For the OA-7 commercial resupply service mission for NASA, orbital ATK's Cygnus spacecraft will be launched by an Atlas V rocket from Cape Canaveral, Florida, to deliver cargo to the International Space Station. On this mission, Cygnus will deliver over 3,400 kilograms, or more than 7,500 pounds of cargo to this space station, and will remain there for approximately 3 months. The Cygnus spacecraft is comprised of 2 modules. The service module, or SM, houses the power subsystem, the avionics, the propulsion system, and the rest of the housekeeping hardware that enables Cygnus to fly. The service module is integrated and tested at Orbital ATK's Dulles, Virginia facility. The pressurized cargo module, or PCM, houses the cargo that is delivered to the space station and was built by Thales Alenia Space in Italy. The pressurized cargo module arrived at the Kennedy Space Center in early January, and the service module arrived in early February. After the majority of the cargo was loaded into the PCM, the 2 modules were mated mid-February, creating the complete Cygnus spacecraft. Cygnus will then be fueled for its mission. The last remaining cargo will be loaded, and the spacecraft will be prepared for launch. The OA-7 mission employs the enhanced configuration of Cygnus, which allows for the transport of more cargo than the standard Cygnus spacecraft used in its initial missions. It also has a lighter weight service module featuring Orbital ATK UltraFlex solar arrays, new technology solar arrays developed at the company's Goleta, California facility. Once Cygnus arrives at Space Station, the station crew will unload cargo from Cygnus, fill it with material for disposal, and detach it from the station. But its mission will not be complete. The cargo module carries the Sapphire 3 space combustion experiment from NASA's Glenn Research Center that will intentionally burn a single large sample of material to study flame development in space. During this portion of the mission, Cygnus will also be used to deploy several small CubeSats from an externally mounted NanoRacks deployer. At the end of the mission, a final experiment will be conducted utilizing the Re-entry Data Collection, or RED Data 2 flight recorder, to provide crucial data about the extreme conditions a spacecraft encounters during atmospheric re-entry. The experiment will take place after ground controllers adjust Cygnus's trajectory to conduct a safe re-entry into the atmosphere over the Pacific Ocean. Orbital ATK is proud to serve NASA's space station cargo resupply needs on the OA-7 mission. We look forward to the continued delivery of vital supplies and scientific experiments to the crew on the International Space Station as NASA continues its vital mission into the next decade.